Canada Health Insurance, Canada Visitors Insurance, safevisit.ca. Ensure a safe visit to Canada. Whether you are here for a visit or plan to make Canada your new home, welcome at Safe Visit. We argue all visitors and new immigrants to purchase travel medical insurance to cover the high costs that can be associated with unexpected accident or sickness while in Canada. One day in hospital can cost as much as $3,000 or more. Medical and security education for the smarter traveler. The travel insurance you are looking for is not insurance. Personal membership for all types of traveler. Emergency assistance, education and advisory, worldwide field rescue, detailed destination reports, real-time event alerts. Get a price estimate alone and with family. What's difference? Travel insurance and a global rescue membership are not the same thing. A global rescue membership is more than financial protection. Travel insurance policies are only designed to protect your wallet. Nobody wants to imagine an emergency abroad when the unexpected happens. You want the team of medical and security experts at Global Rescue to be there for you. There is a reason why more than 1 million members trust Global Rescue, including NASA, US, SKI, and Snowboat, and National Geographic. Whether you are a leisure traveler or an extreme adventurer, we deliver when it matters most. Global Rescue offers help from the point of your emergency, regardless of where you are. Field rescue means that will send help if you are unable to get the hospitals or endanger the right hospitals, not the closest. If you do have to be hospitalized, we have the ability to transport our members back to their home hospital of choice. Global Rescue in-house staff can travel to your besides to help improve your care and coordinate your evacuation. Medical and security advisory services. Our operation centers are staffed by experienced nurses, paramedics, and military special operation vendors. Veterans Global Rescue also has partnership with Johns Hopkins Emergency Medical Division of Special Operation, Elite Medical Group, and Partners Healthcare, the Harvard Medical School affiliate. Call Global Rescue not a call center. Speak to a real expert at Global Rescue on the first call. Travel prepared destination reports for 215 countries and principalities worldwide include entry requirements, detailed health and security assessment, and required immunizations. Keep up to date on health and security events worldwide by Global Rescue mobile app. Global Rescue services at the touch of a button. Keep track of the people you are care about with a GPS tracking with a message. Travel resistance, including Global Rescue membership. Whether it's a language barrier during an emergency abroad or a lost passport, Global Rescue travel assistance can help with unexpected issues. Global Rescue can also provide referrals to legal representation in more than 160 countries. The Global Rescue mobile app is designed for operation on the current versions of Android and iOS operating systems. Availability of services is subject to your equipment compatibility, connectivity, and signal. In your location, there is no guarantee that all feature and functionality will be available in your location. Use and availability of the mobile app is subject to your service provider's plan and may be subject to additional fees from your provider. Please review the member services agreement for terms, conditions, and restrictions that apply. Visitor retired health insurance specialized products. Visitor insurance for retirees. This is your time. Make sure you are ready with the right health, travel, and life insurance to back you up. Get your quote in less than 5 minutes with same day online enrollment. Retirement brings to the everyday, the unexpected, and everything in between. You might be planning to pursue your lifelong passions, pick up something new, or simply to spend more time with your grandchildren. Wherever you are heading in retirement, make sure you are ready with the right insurance behind you. Enjoy similar benefits to those you had while working with our health and dental coverage. You may also say avoid collaborating with flexible annual travel insurance to protect you wherever you are heading. Learn more about our health, travel, and life insurance plans. No retiring just yet. Ask for a reminder. Don't miss out on a guaranteed expectance. Expectance will send you a reminder near the time. They will help prepare for what's to come. Our career partners to provide you with the retired benefits you can rely on. We have partnered with some of the largest and strongest insurance carriers in Canada. We have carefully chosen the industry leaders to give you a range of affordable coverage options during retirement. About us, Vista is the world's largest managing general underwriter with multiple locations across three continents. We have been offering retires insurance to Canadians since 1985, so you can rely on your experienced team for any support you need during retirement. Get the most out of your best years with our guide to retirement is once in a lifetime chance change that brings a lot of big decisions. We would like to help you prepare for great times in good health in the years ahead by sharing stories to inspire ideas on how to spend your retirement while protecting yourself. Insurance for retirees should be simple, so we made sure it's simple. Guaranteed acceptance on all products for you and your spouse. Guaranteed acceptance on health, dental, and travel. Coverage is available for 90 days after your employer sponsored benefits and on you leave another healthcare plan. Online policy management. Get a quote and enroll online with no paperwork involved. Then manage all your policies online too, anywhere, anytime. Benefits for life. You are covered for as long as you can keep up your payments. If you take out life insurance, payments stop at age 90, but you will be covered for life. Victor about us, who we are, our products, contact us. Canada Health Plan, Global Health Insurance. International Health Insurance. Whatever life takes, you will be there. Everyone needs a little certainty. Sometimes we can find your international insurance plan for wherever life takes you. We have got you covered. Moving abroad for the first time, we can help you find your way around the local healthcare system. A second seasoned business traveler who can help get the right care no matter which time zone you help happen to be in.